Hi there, we're now going to watch how we can make a purchase on 3dcrystal.com. The first step is to make sure we are on the right website, which is 3dcrystal.com. Once there, we can simply scroll down and see all of the different shapes which are offered. I'd like to get the 3D crystal rectangle wide, so I'm just going to click on it. And I can see here a description about the crystal, as well as an image which shows all of the different sizes which are offered. I'm going to press choose size, and I'm going to get the 3D crystal rectangle extra large. I'd also like to add a light base, and I would like the rotating light base. And I would also like to add a text engraving to my crystal. I'd like the text engraving to say I love you, so I'm just going to type that in. And now I can press upload your file. I'm going to select the image that I want to use for my crystal and press open. And I can scroll down and see here a preview of my image within my crystal. I can press the zoom out button here or the zoom in button here to adjust the size of my picture. In this case, I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to click and hold my image and drag it upwards. Then I can press save, and I can see here a preview of my image within my crystal. I can also see the total in my cart right now, and also that the website is saying our promotion will include one extra rectangle LED keychain with the same image shipped along with your order placed above. Awesome. Now I'm going to add to cart. And the website is saying you added a 3D crystal rectangle wide for $219. Now I'm simply going to press cart. Now I can see here my subtotal as well as the quantity of crystals that I've ordered. I can also see here the size which I've selected, which light base I've selected, and also my text engraving. I can scroll down and see here that the website says enter the word 10 for an instant 10% discount to your order. So I'm going to enter the word 10 and press apply discount and just wait for that to load. Great, now I'm going to scroll down again, and I can see here that the discount has been applied and I saved $21.90 on my order. Now I'm going to press proceed to checkout. Now I'm taken to a page where I can enter my shipping address information. I can also scroll down and see the shipping method that I want to select. I can select between the free shipping speed, which is 7 to 10 business days, or the medium shipping speed, which is 5 to 7 business days for an extra $9.75. I'd like to get my crystal a little bit quicker, so I'm going to press medium, and then I'll press next. Once pressing that, I will be taken to a page where I can enter my payment information. Thank you for watching this video, and I really hope it helped you. And thanks for shopping at 3dcrystal.com. Until next time, bye-bye.